Did. All right, so this will be review test, and then we will have class Monday if y'all have questions. So I'll come to class, I'll be here, but if y'all don't show up 5 or 10 minutes after I show up, then I'm going to go back to the house or go back to my office. All right, let me pull up the whiteboard. I was already up. Okay. And there's the first question. So it says rewrite the statement using number and scientific notation. So that's 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, 6 zeros, 7. So 3.0. Make sure you hit the Shift 8 button. They want the asterisk. They don't want the X. Times 10, Shift 6. What'd I say? 7? Negative 7. What's that noise?
Oh, that's the rain and the lightning here.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm serious. There's water flooded up on the roads because it can't hold up into the neighbors' ditches.
That's probably why the girls ain't at Easley. What's it doing at Easley, Hoss?
My mom didn't want me to come, and I told her I had to come anyways.
No,
I just don't want to miss a day.
Oh, whatever. What's it doing in Easley?
It wasn't even raining that hard at Easley. Like, I walked in and my shirt wasn't even hardly wet.
Yeah, that's what mine's just got drops on it. It's not doing anything but just sprinkling. I don't know. Maybe you're not living right in Oconee, Mr. B.
I'm just a retard. That's why I'm here, honestly.
Don't say that. Miss Riddle will go off on you. We're recording. She's going to see it. She's going to go off on you.
Mm-hmm.
Which, there was a big article the other day. You're not supposed to use that word. So.
Yeah.
All right, next. All right. Now, that's a good question. That's the question I thought we were going to do the other day. We're doing homework, and it had the plus and the minus. And I'm like, where the hell did that come from? But anyway, so 3 times 10 to the third, it says convert. So that's going to be, what is this? Oh, they want you to tell what it is. So 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 3,000, isn't it? And then 2.4, 1, 2 be 240.
Okay. Let's see.
And then 7, just remember, 7 means 6 zeros. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. And I have no idea what that is. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, billions.
I wish I could
Okay,
see it. Something just happened to where it like froze up, and now I see like a really horizontal line, and I can see the screen barely, but you can't see anything. It's
Easily, can you see it?
I can't. I don't think I can see a.
Wait a minute, I hasn't presented screen yet, so y'all can't see anything. Thanks for telling me after the second question. Y'all suck. It should be coming up. Check it down there. Well, easily, can you see it?
I just
Okay, now
see
it
it.
came
Yep, I can see it.
You need to move the small portion over to the other screen. Okay. So let me count this again. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s,
Mm-hmm.
hundreds, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 100,000s would be the millions. 400 millions. I think that's the right answer. Those zeros run together after they. I don't like to give that many zeros because, especially on this computer up here, it runs together. 2.2, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, so that'd be 3 zeros, 0.00022, and that's 10, hundred thousandths, 10 thousandths, 100 thousandths, so that'd be 2200 thousandths. Oops, wrong one. Let's see, I don't know about that C. I don't know about that one. Yeah, I think that one's wrong. Ten, hundred thousandths, 10 thousandths, 100 thousandths, millionths, 410 millionths. That's it. That is whatever. All right, next one. And that would be that one. Last day, 23rd. Okay, what's 4 plus 7?
11.
11. And what's 8 plus a negative 5 or 8 minus 5?
3.
And what's 8 minus 2?
6.
And what's 6 plus 3?
9.
Which one will students miss?
I'd say D, because it wouldn't confuse me.
D is the number one answer that's missed. Because they say, okay, that's 6 minus 3. That's already there, so 6 minus 3 is 3. And it's wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, next one. 0, zilch, nada. The regular selling price of an item is $253. For a special year-end sale, the price is at markdown of 20%. Find the discount sale price. This is a Walmart question. Okay? So a regular selling price, that's regular. So that's the price. 253 minus 0.2 of 253 is equal to the total price. So that's the Walmart equation. And we all know that minus means discounts. So X plus or minus percentage X is equal to the total. So 253 minus means discount, 0.20 times 253. Somebody work the math for me. That rain? I guess it is.
Yeah, that's the rain. I might have to leave early, because it's already bad enough.
Well,
That
if the power
thing's
goes
really
out,
bad.
you'll have to leave.
Do what?
If the power goes out or if something goes out, you just go ahead and leave. I'm not going to try to call you back if the power goes out. All right, so what's somebody do that? Let's say 10% would be 2530, so that'd be 5060. So that would be 306.60 or something. What is it?
I got 202.4, so I guess it's A.
Okay. Oh, I didn't minus it. I added it. I'm sorry. So that would be 202.40A?
Yeah.
Yep. Next. All right, what does this one say? This one says, how much will a person pay for 10.8 pounds of bananas priced at $1.66 per pound? We're not going to reinvent the wheel. What do you do here?
10.8 times 1.66, I believe.
Exactly. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just, what is it?
Let me put it in my calculator. 10.8 times 66. I got 17.928, so I guess rounding it, it'd be 17.93, yeah.
Next. Now, you're supposed to use a unit conversion there. It'd be 10.8 pounds over 1, and then the pounds would go on the bottom, okay, or whatever, and you would get the answer, okay, whatever. It's just multiply it.
All right.
Okay, here's the one I don't like. I wish I could have took it off, but we did it for homework. So 25 minus 15 is 10 to the what? 10 to the 10th?
Yeah.
Okay, what is 10? What is anything to the 0 power?
0.
Nope.
Oh, it's 1.
1. And what's 10 plus 1?
11.
11. I guess that's what they're wanting. And then this is 0.01, because you're moving the decimal one place to the left. It should be 1 over 10, which is 1 over 10, one place to the left, that would be 0.1. What's 10 to the 4th power is what? 1,000?
10 times 10's 100.
That's 10,000.
Yeah, it's 10,000.
I think it's 10,000. Be 10,000.1. And then 10 to the 4th. What is 10 to the 4th? We said that was 10,000, so that'd be 9,990.
Mm-hmm.
We did that for homework the other day. Make a note on that one, because that one's the one that's going to get you, because you're used to doing, I don't like that problem, but I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to show you the properties of 0 and 1, and that's fine. And you could probably punch it in your calculator and give you the same thing. You can use your calculator on that if you want to.
Okay.
A retail store had monthly sales of 59.6. This is a homework equation. We did this. I think we went over the test, because I remember doing this question. So multiply 59,600 times 0.16. What do you get? 37,250, I think. No, be 9,000, because 20%, 10% would be 59.60, so it'd be 9,000. What is it?
59. Shit.
59.6 times 0.16.
6.
It's C.
That's what I thought. And how could you do that so quick? Well, what's 10% of 59,600? 5960, right?
Yeah.
What's 5960 plus 5960?
Over 10,000.
That's 10,000. So the answer is going to be less than 10,000, because you're not doing 20%. You're doing what? 16. So that's why I marked C. It's only one less than 10,000. That's called estimate. It's called percentage estimation. Solve the percentage problem. This is a sentence problem. 3.03, let's see. What percent of 8 is 0.03? What percent of 8 is 0.03? I'm just going to do this because I feel lazy today. What percent of 8 is 0.03? That's the question. See how easy that is? Now, is of percent over 100. Is 0.03. So that's going to be 0.03 divided by of 8 is equal to 8 over what? Cross multiply. What's 8 times 8? Wait a minute. They're supposed to be, not 8. X. Okay, so 0.03 is 3. 0.03 times 100 is 3. So what's 3 divided by 8? 4 divided by 8 is 0.5. So I'd say the answer is 0.4. What's 3 divided by 8?
0.375.
And it says to round to what? 10th?
Here's
So 0.4 is your answer. And that would be A. Write the percent as a decimal. Move the decimal how many places to the left?
2.
2 places, so that would be 0.565. What should a student do? Communication. He takes the highest of grades. What is 95% as a decimal?
D.
D. Good. Week of finals, April 24th. If you look at your overall grade, a 0 has been placed. Which of the following numbers are in scientific notation? What? No, write each of the following in scientific notation. All right, write that down and do it. 740, 0.0125, and that last one, 0.0018948.
You want us to give the answer?
Well, no, I was looking to see if that was any students trying to no. I don't know who it was. I guess it wasn't anybody. Okay, so that would be 7.4 times 0 times 10 to the what? 2?
Yeah, 2.
Times shift 10 shift 2. Well, that's screwed up. Oh my God. Hold on a minute. How do I get rid of this? Oh my God, how do I get rid of this? I don't know what I hit, but 7.4 there. And this would be 1.25 times 10 to the what? Negative what? 2. And this is going to be 1.8948. 1.8948 times 10 to the, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3. To the negative third. Next, because he is mean, toward the end of the unit, 20, and C. Good gracious. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Times 10, and what's 9 plus 5?
14.
What's 3? Oh shoot, is that divided by or is that plus? Looks like plus. Oh heck, somebody do that in your calculator please. I'm not going to sit here and write all that. That's 4, that's be 30,000 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9,000. 39,000. See what y'all get. 3.9 times 10. 39,000 would be to the 5th. And then this is division. 8 divided by 4 is what? 2 times 10. And what's 14 minus 7? 7. Let me check B. I don't know if B is right because I did it in my head. Okay. Next. Overall grade. The store manager paid $147 for an item and set the selling price at $210. So what's 210.21 minus 147 over 147? New minus old over old. Somebody do that on your calculator.
Okay.
210.21 minus 147 equals divided by 147. Multiply by 100. But what's the answer? 147 minus 200.
43%.
Okay. Take your word for it. And that would be no way, no how. And decrease it. And submit test. We made 100. All right, y'all got questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, y'all get out of here and send me questions Monday. And if nobody sends any questions Monday, then I'll write an email to everybody and say we're not having class. So check your email right before class or just come to class and I'll tell everybody whether we have in class or not. Y'all have a good weekend.
You too.
Be careful, Mr. B. I don't want you to die out there.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll have some fun out there.